How to delete our YouTube account on our Android or iOS device. If we no longer want our videos, comments, or channels on YouTube, deleting the account is the final step. So if we do not do it correctly, our channel may stay active or data may remain. So let's delete it safely step by step. So for that, what we can do is we can just go over and open up the YouTube app, access your YouTube application. And once we open up the YouTube app, we can tap on the profile picture icon in the bottom right and go to the section for manage our Google account, tap on this Google account option and open up that page right here. So the thing is that this process will delete your YouTube channel, not your Google account, and all of the videos, playlists, comments, and subscribers will also be permanently removed. And this action cannot be undone. So once you open up this manage your Google account page, go to the data and privacy section, tap on it, and there we can scroll to the section for download or delete your data, tap on it. This section right here. Once we are headed over here, we can tap on this option called delete a Google service, and once we tap on it, we can just go over and confirm of the deletion. For that, once we are headed over this page, we can follow up the prompts. So for that, once you are headed over to this delete a Google service page, look out for the YouTube section and tap on delete right beside it. And once we do so, we can follow up the prompts. So we can select the option of if you want to hide your channel or permanently delete your content. So select each of the options. So you can just go over and select the following and confirm that you understand. You can read it out and tap on this option called hide my channel. Similarly, we have this I want to permanently delete my content, drop it down. And you can select these options as well. Like it will delete your videos playlist, and you can tap on this option called delete my content as well. Now for that, what we need to do is we need to go over and enter up your email address that you would like to delete. You can confirm by typing in the email address that you used to create your account for your create a channel for your YouTube, and tap on delete my content, confirm it up, follow the prompts for that. Similarly, you can tap on this option for I want to hide my channel, tap on hide my channel, and there also you can tap on hide my content and confirm this pop-up right here, and you can update it up and it will hide your channel. You're all done and all of your channel will be hidden. You can just go over and confirm it up, and that is how you do it. So usually this is how you basically delete up your YouTube channel following up this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.